Far away on Sodor, the steam engines were confident, cheerful, and determined not to be bullied by Diesel. Only James, who now felt really useful too, was complaining.
Wobbly wheels!
Puffy pistons.
You shouldn't have collected them, Mr. Conductor. I should have.
James is right, little Thomas. Collecting Mr. Conductor is an important job. Important is big. James is a big engine.
Indeed I am.
You, Thomas, are small. Small, 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 teeny, weeny, weeny.
What did you just call me?
And I'm a big blue engine who knows everything.
Bossy sprockets, all that steam has gone to your funnel.
We'll fix the wagon.
No, I'm not getting backing up. Me neither.
What's important is that we stand up on our own wheels to Diesel. Edward's right. Diesel knows that the lost engine and the legend really exist.
What's this legend you speak of?
Yeah, and this engine you speak of.
A legend of an engine whose magic makes her more powerful than Diesel will ever be. That's why he wants to find her.
Then we better find her first.
Leave it to the big engines, Percy.
Little engines can do big things, especially when they have nice blue paint like me.
Just watch what happens in the blue puffball when Harold the Flopper Chopper flies past here. Right.
Routine flyby, chaps. Hello!
The boss dumps sneezing powder everywhere.
Let's start laughing now.
Oh, sorry, Fruits. Bit of a dust-up. Love to stay and clean up. Got to go. Bye now!
Did you mean to look like that? No. Yeah, neither did I.
This must be Diesel's doing. Choo, choo.
Hello there, I'm Henry. And if you would like to see more videos, click on the video in the top right corner. If you would like to subscribe, click the channel icon in the top left corner. I must be off now. I will see you all later.